Posting a job on Naukrigulf is a very easy and quick process. All it takes is 5 minutes to fill the form and your job is visible to more than 10 lakh job seekers. The job posting form can be accessed under the Employer section. Just enter your username and password and click on Login. Under the section Job Postings with Response Manager, click on the first link, Post a Job, and you shall see the one-page job posting form. All the fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Let's fill a mandate to understand it better. Position title or designation. Here we have to enter the complete designation and avoid abbreviations. For example, I enter Quantity Surveyor. Job description. This field carries all the job responsibilities that a candidate would be required to perform. I have it already typed in a Word doc and will copy and paste from there. Job location. I choose the country and I choose the city. I can choose up to 3 countries using the control key in case the job is for multiple locations. In the similar way, multiple cities can be chosen. Monthly salary. This is to be entered in US dollars. It is very important that we use a realistic salary. We can use this checkbox to hide the salary from the job seekers. Other benefits. Here we can mention any other benefits that we may be offering to the candidates, like accommodation, air tickets, leaves, etc. Reference code. This is another non-mandatory field. You may use this in case you're posting 2 jobs with the same position title to distinguish between them. You may also leave this blank. Keywords. On the basis of keywords, your job will be displayed in the search results. Appropriate keywords ensure your job is shown up in searches that can get you relevant applications. While filling up this field, we have to enter all possible variables that best describe the job. For example, I will enter all the variants of the designation to ensure maximum matches. I enter Quantity Surveyor, QS, Estimation Engineer, Functional Area. While choosing functional area, look for the closest match to the job. For example, engineering in this case. While choosing industry type, look for what closest matches your company type, like construction and civil in this case. Desired candidate's profile. I shall leave the gender to be any. Work experience. I choose a range here, say 5 to 7 years. Again, it is very important that the range is narrow so that the responses are relevant. Job seekers are most likely to apply to jobs with focused experience range and a realistic salary, so it's advisable to fill these fields with care. Profile description. Anything special that you think a candidate must possess besides the fields on the form is to be entered here. I have this also typed in a Word doc and shall copy and paste from there. Nationality. Say I choose any Arabic national. Education details. Filling at least one of these is compulsory. I choose basic and I choose the basic course as Bachelor of Technology and Engineering and I choose the specialization as civil for this profile. One may also fill in the post-graduation and doctorate, but in this profile I do not require it. Employer's details. Here I fill details about our company. This is to acquaint candidates where are they going to work. It usually has some information already filled up if we have entered it in the past. Primary contact details. Here we enter the name and designation of the person who is taking care of this mandate. Manage responses. Now we choose how do we want to receive applications to this job. There are 3 options. You can receive it only on Response Manager, or in Response Manager and in your mailbox. Offline is if you want to receive paper applications or redirect users to your website. I choose the second option on Response Manager and in my email. Then we choose the email ID on which I want to receive the responses. I can also decide whether I want to receive a daily snapshot of applies or each and every CV in my mailbox. I choose the each applicant's full CV option. It is also recommended to hide the email address using this checkbox for privacy purposes. That's it. We click on Preview, and this is how the job will appear to the job seekers. If we are happy with the result, we post this job and get a confirmation message that the job will go live on the site within 30 minutes. This job can be seen under the Manage Job section. Now just sit back and let the applications pour in. On an average, a job on Naukrigulf receives about 200 applications. Thank you.